Hello everyone, my name is Coutinho. My metric number is 60096 and my topic is for the routing algorithm for wireless network on chip. By the way, my supervisor is Mr. Asrani. Second, now presentation of the roadmap. There will be for 8 types of that. First, research for the background. Third is for motivation of research and problem statement and research objective and the scope of work and the literature of the review and the research workflow, your proposed work and exceed the primary results and conclusion. Now the introduction. The introduction as the number of cores integrated into the single chip increase the role played by the on-chip communication system becomes pivotal. The cost of solution area, performance and energy consumption of the network on chip and the communication design optimization metrics. And thirdly, for increased instance, the combination electricity increased as the network size increased due to the multi-hop communication nature of the NOC-based systems. Now, the wireless of the network on chip, WINOC. WINOC uses the wireless backbone on the top of the transmitter wireless-based NOC. And the WINOC install the long-range and the long-range high handband radio frequency interconnects to reduce the multi-hop communication in conventional NOC platforms. Radio hops are utilized for single hop packet transfer between the remote nodes via wireless communication channel. The WINOC architecture. This processor is more focused on the WINOC architecture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Line is 8. Level N is 8 also. So it is for the 8 by 8. 8 by 8 because it's 2 power of 3 is 8. So it is for the three digits for everyone. So from 000 until 111 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's for the 000 to 111. And then the most internal structure of the tile node. The middle part of the rotor and then divided by the 4 directions. For east, north, west, south, and the PE, and this one is for the receiver. Now, motivation of the research. Wireless of the interconnects can provide an energy efficient communication while providing the high bandwidth and low electricity. Wireless interconnects can be used to transmit the data according the chip in one hop with low energy. So the range is from negative 0.33 to 1 pg per bit. For bit, it means for the binary of number, and for 0 and 1. And completely with the CMOS technology and the first band-cost, multi-cost, and cable that are not easily exported in wide lengths. Now, I will be explain why is the WINOC. WINOC. Last time I will show you is for the be 8 by 8. So 8 bit and then 8 lines. There will be 12 hotspots, and a single hotspot is until that. And for the research objective, This one is the most important part of your work. The research objective is aim to know about what you do, what do you plan, and what you need to do. First of all, to incentivize the impact of various routing outcomes in 64 cores, mesh WINOC. Mesh WINOC is that, just not show you the 8 times 8 because it is, so you get the 64 cores from 0 to 63. And secondly, to make a competitive analysis of the integrated routing outcome on WINOC performance in terms of latency, throughput, and energy composition. Now, this one is for the first research flow. Research flow is the most important of that. There will be 4 steps. 4 steps. First step is for the conception of the investor work. And the second for that experimental works by using NOSM simulator. Thirdly is for the evaluation of the experiment works. Fourth is for the network performance competitive analysis. Firstly, this one is discuss about the plan. And experimental works using the NOSM simulation. This one is for the use your simulation and to get the results. C++ code, and then this one is for the C++ code. And evaluation the experimental work. This one is more focused on the results and to record what do you buy, what do you do that. And for network performance, there will be your success. Thirdly, experimental step is still divided by 8 by 8, and then there will be platform. This one is for the platform, this part, and divided by 5 alternates. So XY routing, west first, negative last, north last, and odd even. So apply for this routing alternates is more that the platform is for the output. For in our daily life and for some electricity, something is for it will be that input and output. Input is always it is the most important. What's the input will be apply for the focus, apply for the process, and apply for the process, and then through process, and will be get output. The output will be the signal that. This one is for the simulation of output example. When you do your simulation, must be through this. This one is for the result for that. When you do your, this one is more focused on the simulation, the most part of that, primarily that. Now, conclusion. Emerging communication technologies like WINOC are considered as a valuable solution for facing the scalability, performance, and energy issues in many core systems architectures. This one is for the reference. Reference is the most important part, and reference is more focused, is more promise your work is by yourself to do, and this one is a good promise. That. Thank you. Yes.